Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. My love, he makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself. One, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules I count on. I got no rules I count on. I've gotta tell them to myself. I've got no rules I count on. Practice makes perfect. I'm still trying to learn it by heart. Eat, sleep, and breathe it. Rehearse and repeat it. 'Cause one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules I count on. I've got no rules I count on. I've gotta tell them to myself. I've got no rules I count on. Don't let him in, don't let him in, no, no, no. Don't be his friend, don't be his friend, no. Don't let him in, don't let him in, no, no, no. Don't be his friend, don't be his friend, no. You're getting over him.
Well, Megan. Adia,
I don't want to sit down.
Adia, what do you think of that?
That was, I didn't write anything at all. And anyone who knows me on this panel, I've got to write something to remember it. But I could not take my eyes off of you. That, I said to you when you sang the one that got away, you've got this thing where you're so creative with a song, you make it Megan's. And you have a way of drawing people in. There was no one was speaking, no one, you couldn't even hear like any deep breathing or anything. It was literally silent. Everyone was focused on you. And you have that effect on people. You just draw people in with your emotion, with your performance. I mean, you went from as like subtle as like a dove or something to like as powerful as I can't even describe, because that, even when you were belting that power, I still felt everything you were trying to say. It was almost like a sad anger. It was so beautiful, and this is going to be a very, very, very memorable performance of yours, because that was next level. I've never seen you sing like that before. And that last note, speechless. You should be so incredibly proud of yourself, Megan, because I am so, so proud of you. I don't even know why you were so nervous. That was perfection. And Stephen Jones' word, that was incredible.
Kelly?
I had to risk falling on my bum to stand for that. I really did. I wouldn't have cared if I went on my bum, because it was worth standing for that. It just blew me away. It really did. I love how you took a song that is really like cheesy and poppy normally. That's the normal version. I would not listen to that. your version of it I would buy. I would go out and buy that tomorrow. You took it and you gave it emotion and you made it real. And I love how it was very vulnerable at the beginning, and then it built in attitude, and you had all this sort of like everything going on. I've never heard you sing so perfectly like that. Everything about that was so controlled, so amazing. The falsetto that you added, I have actually got chills just thinking about it. That it was a wow moment. That was definitely your wow moment. That was the standout performance of the evening for me so far. And that was your best performance, and you should be. I'm loving this side of you, this acoustic side, where you're just getting your teeth into songs and you're ripping them apart and you're giving them new life. Please keep doing that, because you are absolutely insane at it. What do you mean, new rules? Oh, for God's sake. Oh. Do you see what I'm going to put up with on this panel? Seriously, swap places with me, Anya. Yeah, honestly, please keep doing that, because it's exciting as well. And I'm really, really excited about how you're going to take on the rest of the thing. That was mind-blowing, well done.
Megan, I mean, that was even better than what I did in the week. Let me tell you now, you took that to another place completely then, with that feeling. You really got in the zone with it. What I really loved about this is that we really got to see so many parts of your range and your ability from the beginning, quite calm, subtle, meaningful, and then you built it onto the top of your chest, and then you went for that last note. And my God, you absolutely stole that then. That was absolutely fantastic. The way you built it, you made it your own, you made it unique. I was just really captivated by that. I think I even forgot to press the smoke. Did I press the smoke in that? No, it's because I was so drawn in. I was, you know, it was just beautiful. You should be really impressed with all you just done. In all honesty, I think it's my favourite performance of you as I've ever seen, because it was just something completely different that was coming from you. Wow, well done. Well done.